Alright, so let's simplify what we have been given. The cube root of 3 whole number 3 on 8. Remember, this is a mixed fraction which we can change into improper fraction. So this becomes 3 times 8 plus 3. So the cube root of that would be 24 plus that, 27 divided by 8. Remember, under indices, this can become a power. So that means that 27 divided by 8 all raised to the power 1/3. Then in the bracket here, since we are having a denominator of 3, we look for a number that raised to the power 3 to give us the values we are having here. That makes it 3 exponent 3 divided by 2 exponent 3 all raised to the power what? 1/3. So here I can see that if I have a b exponent n in this form, I can translate that to become a over b all raised to the power n. So this can be 3 on 2 raised to the power 3, which is this from the 3, then times the extra power we are having outside. So we know this will cancel this. The answer become 3 on 2 or 1.5 as a simple simplification of this.